Welcome to our slash entitled Parents, where we share story of moms or dads thinking that because they have kids they are entitled to everything, and stories about spoiled children with their entitled parents. Entitled mom thinks she is more deserving than a children's hospital. I live near a children's hospital in the UK, and they do donation drives occasionally to try and get nice things for the kids. My partner and I had just got a new video game console, and so our old one was collecting dust. We thought that since it was close to Christmas, why not donate it? Do something nice. So we go to the hospital, having filled out a form telling us when to hand it in. They are being strict due to COVID, and unfortunately there was a mix-up with this form. We had filled it in for a different hospital and weren't allowed to queue to hand it in on that day due to infection control. A bit annoying, but never mind. We rebook for the next day and turn to leave. Enter entitled mum. She was behind us and waiting for her own phone, so she must have heard our discussion. A few seconds later she followed us out the car park and called out, "Entitled mum, excuse me. Did I hear that you are giving away a console?" Me, yeah. Well, we were going to, but we got a bit mixed up. Entitled mum, so, very long, drawn out, so, you don't need it anymore? Me, nah, but we're booked in for tomorrow, so it'll be okay. Entitled mum, why don't you give it to me? I could give it to my son for Christmas. Me, oh, yeah, sorry, but we wanted to give it to the hospital. Do some good, you know. Entitled mum, are you saying this wouldn't be doing good? She raised her voice out of nowhere. No idea what I said to offend her. We have had a horrible year, and this would be amazing for my son. Fiancé, stepping in to help. Lots of people have had a bad year. We just feel that the hospital is the best place for it. Entitled mum, why? I'm in need too. It isn't fair to give everything to those kids. My son has been good all year, and he deserves it more. Fiancé, it's not a competition. We're giving it to the hospital. Entitled mum, you are so rude. You should give things to people who need them. If they are in hospital they don't need games. It's a stupid idea. Fiancé, sorry, like she said, we're booked in for tomorrow. We're going to get our bus now. At this point he helped usher me away from her. I'm not great with confrontation, and she kept calling out to us as we left about how her son was more deserving than the kids in the hospital, how it was rude of us to ignore her. It was pretty awful. Sorry if I'm not great at telling the story. And we did go back the next day to very grateful nurses, so it's a happy ending. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.